Hi everyone, this one is Canon 60D. So we are going to replace this shutter unit, but we have a all unit. This one is all one. So we repair this one with there is a contact in the motor drive. You see, contact in motor drive is there is a carbon. We clean this one, and now we are going to fix this one in this camera. The problem, if there's a problem of error 30, it's mean the shutter problem, and shutter mechanism is not working like this. The relays of a shutter mechanism is not catch the first curtain or second curtain and just leave through, just load and unload the unit. That the error will be error 30, or if there is a error 20, so the motor of this mechanism or any mechanism of Canon cameras, the error 20 shows that shutter did not load, okay, and the motor is not working. So we repair this motor, clean this one, and now we are going to check this one outside the camera. I will show you how we do it. We just repair this one, and because this one is old one, so we best, so this one should be checked outside the camera without inserting in camera. We are going to check this one outside the camera. So how we do it, let's see. First we have this battery contact, extender, battery information contact. Okay, we make a single wire and have a screw. So we connect this line. That's it. And next we are going to connect the shutter motor on circuit plate. And then we connect flex to the circuit. So if you do it, or you can repair shutter mechanism, that will be much better to check it outside the camera, because if there is any problem, any shutter speed problem, or shutter is not working, because this one is all one. Okay, so let's see. Okay, the shutter speed is 25. You see, speed is 1/25. So we check it in all speeds. We set on B. We change the shutter speed. We set on bulb mode. So check it, because all magnets and mechanism are working perfectly. And last, next we check all with different speeds. This one is 25. Now we go up like 4000 speed, 8000. So this one have 8000, and you can easily check that's high speed is working. So you put back any white paper and see there's a, you can see through the shutter. You see any white paper? Yeah, I can see the white paper on high speed. Or you can put old shutter tester, so, or you can simply use light. Okay, so if you see, you see the light. Okay, and slow ones going to like 1 to 5. You see, that's it. So we are going to remove this one. It's better to check shutter mechanism outside the camera, so, and working, check the working, it's working properly or not working, any missing or something or any error. So it will help you to you can check outside and then put inside the camera. That will be more helpful for you. Any hassle will help you. It's oh yes, it's flex. So that's it. We are going to change the shutter mechanism. Maybe we can make a new video for changing a shutter mechanism in 60D. 60D is a old model, so now we have lots of new models. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you again. I hope you like my videos. Okay, thanks.